ChatGPT is the latest and the most impressive artificially intelligent chatbot yet. It was released quite recently, and in just 5 days after its launch, it gained over 1 million users. It has been so popular that ChatGPT's server has reached capacity several times. OpenAI, the company that developed it, is already been discussed as a potential Google killer. It can write computer code to a user's specification, draft business letters or rental contracts, compose essays, and even pass university exams. While people are amazed by the incredible things ChatGPT can do, there are some major problems with this thing that no one's talking about. As a user, you might think that everything that it says is factually correct. Well, that's not true. With great power comes great responsibility, and OpenAI holds a lot of power. It is one of the first AI companies to truly shake up the world with not just one but multiple AI models, including DALL-E 2, GPT-3, and now ChatGPT. OpenAI chooses what data is used to train ChatGPT and how it deals with the negative consequences. Whether you agree or not, they will continue developing this technology according to their own goals. While OpenAI considers safety to be a high priority, there is a lot that we still don't know about. Users still don't realize the dark side of ChatGPT. For example, it fails at basic math, can't seem to answer simple logic questions, and will even go as far as arguing completely incorrect facts. OpenAI knows about this limitation, but they have not done anything yet in order to fix this problem. Unlike other AI assistants like Siri or Alexa, ChatGPT doesn't use the internet in order to locate answers. Instead, it comes up with a sentence word by word, selecting the most likely token that should come next. In other words, ChatGPT arrives at an answer by making a series of guesses, which is a part of the reason it can argue wrong answers as if they were completely true. ChatGPT can also cause real-world harm. As you know, fake social media accounts pose a huge problem on the internet. With the introduction of AI chatbot, internet scams would be easier to carry out. The spread of fake information is another concern, especially when ChatGPT makes even wrong answers sound convincingly right. There are some internet geniuses who go as far as asking for trading advice from ChatGPT. I wonder, how can you trust this thing with your real money? Even OpenAI admits that ChatGPT can give harmful and misleading advice based on its ability to mix fact with fiction. ChatGPT was trained on a collective writing of humans across the world, past and present. This means that the same biases that exist in the data can also appear in the model. In fact, users have shown how ChatGPT can produce some terrible answers, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. It can produce answers that are extremely harmful to a range of minority groups. With the potential to cause harm to people, you can argue that ChatGPT shouldn't be released to the public before these problems are studied and resolved. A similar AI chatbot called Sparrow, owned by Google's parent company Alphabet, was released in September 2020. However, it was kept behind closed doors because of the similar concerns that it could cause harm. When Meta released Galactica, an AI language model trained on academic papers, it was rapidly recalled after many people criticized it for outputting wrong and biased answers. With such new technology, it's very difficult to predict what other problems will arise. In 2019, Elon Musk left OpenAI partly over disagreements about the company's development, and he has been talking about AI as an existential threat for a long time. But people thought he didn't know what he was talking about. And now we are here witnessing this powerful technology. OpenAI is perhaps one of the oddest companies to emerge from Silicon Valley. It was set up as a non-profit in 2015 to promote and develop friendly AI in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, and other leading tech figures pledged a $1 billion towards this goal. Their thinking was, we couldn't trust for-profit companies to develop increasingly capable AIs that aligned with humanity's prosperity. AI therefore needs to be developed by a non-profit and, as the name suggested, in an open way. In 2019, OpenAI transitioned into a capped for-profit company with investors limited to a maximum return of 100 times their investments. They took a $1 billion investment from Microsoft in order for them to scale and compete with tech giants. Hello there my friend, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a like and watch this next video if you are interested in this channel.